Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact AutoCAD student watermark issue and gathering prerequisites. Know the product version and where your profile's live. Once you have backups of templates and support folders, close AutoCAD and sign out of your Autodesk account. This prevents cloud sync from restoring student status. Next, open Control Panel to prepare for uninstall or repair, or get ready to edit the registry carefully. These first steps reduce risk, so make sure backups are verified before proceeding. Now you perform the complex middle work that removes the student signature. First, uninstall the student-labeled AutoCAD using programs and features, or use the Autodesk uninstall tool for thorough cleanup. Once uninstalled, delete leftover program data and app data folders, and clear the Autodesk web cache so no student hash remains. If comfortable, open Regedit export registry branches, then delete keys that reference student or educational serials. These steps strip persistent markers, proceed carefully, and keep your exported keys as a restore point. To finish, reinstall the commercial build of AutoCAD and activate it using your commercial serial number and product key. This replaces any remaining educational license tokens. Once activated, sign into your Autodesk account and sync profiles so your settings return. If the student watermark still appears, clear stored credentials, reset AutoCAD profiles to default, and ensure no leftover student folders or registry entries remain. For stubborn cases, reproduce steps on a clean user profile or contact Autodesk support with your license details for assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.